Hey, alright guys, so this is a recap of today's market, actually the pre-market movers. Any stock less than $10. I'm talking about the top moved stock for the day. So there are 11 stocks that moved more than 10% in the pre-market. Three of the significant stocks are AIHS, BGFV, DSS. So in this video I'm going to talk about for back holders when you should take the money and when to exit at the right time, and for short sellers when you can jump into a short selling stock and start to sell. Let's go ahead and do a replay of what happened in the morning for AIHS. So AIHS did had couple of news, and when we check their stock, pre-market open around 4 o'clock for the stock at about this area, and pre-market open price was at $1.35, and at the same time it hit $1.51 while it was opening. So my chart has my chart timeline for candlesticks is 15 minutes. When we check AIHS share float and share outstanding, they have 28 million shares outstanding and 11 million shares float, and the pre-market volume reached for 13 million stocks, and the market cap is 45 million. That's not bad. And the 1 month high it reached before was $2.35, and the 1 month low it reached was around 52 cents. First, let's see what is the stock's resistance and supporting levels. Normally I would like to see year to date first. Let me mark some horizontal lines here. So at this point at 87 cents there is a supporting line. But nothing before that. The highest point, the first resistance actually is around 166. The next resistance level is around 280. Well, we can actually give $2.04 as well, but I would give something in between that level, so 280.35, yeah. That's the 376, and then there's a downward support previously at 35, and then 248. Right, so we have now five supporting and resistance levels. Alright, let's go back to 15-minute chart. I wanna see July 9th pre-market opening time, so I'm going to replay the entire scenario from pre-market until the end of the day. Right, so like I said, pre-market opened at $1.35 and it reached $1.51 within the 15-minute candlestick chart, and then the next one open at $1.41, but it closed at $1.35. Then it kept on going down a little bit until it peaked the momentum. And that's the first big candlestick formation with 61% move, and then the next one, that's a 22% move around within 9 o'clock time frame, and then the next one was a red candle. So after a couple of yellow candlesticks, green outline yellow candlestick, a red candle formation is actually a thing to worry about. If it turns into a yellow candle again and then the outline stayed red, then it means that it's going to go down. So at the close it became yellow. That means the stock is going to go down, and this is a point. If you are holding this stock, this is actually a good point for you to sell it. At this point, if you sell, let's see, somewhere between 235 and 245, then you could have made the profit that you hold for a couple of days. So in the same time, for the shorters, they can jump in and start shorting the stock. So let's move on. So the market opened and it kept on going down and down. And the market closed. So since the sell signal indicated, it went down more than 30% within the 10 hours trading time. So again, if you see the resistance levels, you can see at $2.45 was the resistance I marked at the beginning, and it did hit that point and it started to move down, right? It didn't pass above that. It touched it and then turned down. All right, so that's one stock which moved up pre-market. So the next one, BGFV. Share float is 21 million, and then shares outstanding is 21 million and share float is around 19 million. 1 month high at $3.36 and 1 month low at $1.75. Market cap is 58 million and the pre-market total volume traded 7.76 million shares. All right. So I'm going to replay the same scenario under the 15-minute chart. Right, so when the market open, it's already up 30%. And then the next chart, 50-minute chart, 50-minute candlestick formation, it gave 50% profit, and then the next candlestick gave 7% profit, and now you see a red candlestick, right? So now you have to be cautious to see if it is turning out to be a yellow candlestick with red outline color. So if it closes like that, exactly like that, then that means this stock is going to go down, right? So there are two yellow inside red outline candlestick formation after yellow inside green outline candlesticks, then it's gonna go down. So just like the resistance levels that we marked before, it didn't touch the 437 432 resistance level, but however it started change, going down after that. So if you check, it was staying at the support level that we marked at 281. So at the end of the day, the stock went down more than 30%. So again, for the back holders, people who had the stock for many years or many months, this is a point where you can sell in the pre-market, and at 8:45 was the main selling signal given by OnePunch Algo, and after that you can see it went down 30%. If you hold it without selling and sold it at the end of the day, you made 45%, right? But if you sold at 8:45, you could have made 112%. So it's a huge difference, and you could have get into another stock. So the next stock I would like to see is DSS. Outstanding shares actually really low, it's less than 3 million, and then outstanding share float is at 1.799 million. So the 1 month high is at $10, and then 1 month low is at $6. So not a bad stock, but for some reason it went down on July 1st. I didn't check what is the reason, and I don't mind at this point. I just want to see when I should be selling this, right? So pre-market opened at $9.19, and it hit a high of $9.24, and after that it kept on going up. It went up 22%, and then again the next candlestick, it gave a red candlestick formation, but if it closed yellow candle with red outline, that means it's going to go down. So yeah, just like that, it formed a yellow candlestick with red outline color. So since then it kept on going down, and market close losing 30% for this stock. I did not create, actually I had at 14, but there are a couple of here resistance levels and support levels. I would like to do it right now so we can see. So if we zoom in, just like that, it hit the support resistance level at 1159 and start moving down. So guys, if you have or had these three stocks and traded it, let me know if you made the money which I showed. If you knew the right time to sell, did you made that amount? Did you made 76% profit in DSS today? Did you made 112% profit with BGFV and 97% with AIHS? If not, let me know what went wrong, and is something like this interest you, a third wheel to support your ideas and when to sell signals. So this is my market recap for today, and I'm going to be live around 7:45 tomorrow morning, and I will be doing a live session, and you guys can ask me any questions and even any stock indicator, and I will go ahead and mark the resistance levels, and I will show you historically how the software OnePunch algos work for that specific stock, and I will also use my premium bar chart account to find out other information as well. Alright guys, please subscribe, please like, that way I get motivated and I can make more videos in the future. Thank you very much.